In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify and see your PC configuration. So first, what you have to do, just click on Window and search for System Information here. And click and you will find many information about your PC. And once you check it, you just have to go here to this PC and open this file. And after that, come here to this icon and click, and we found some another information about your PC, as processor, graphic card, storage, everything. And also another method, you just have to go to this window bar and click right click and click on Task Manager and go to performance, and from here you can see how is your memory working and your disk and your CPU or GPU and everything. And guys, I hope this video was quick and useful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you in another video.